The new academic year started with new pandemic guidelines for schools across the globe. Students are getting temperature checks, must have clean hands, wear masks, and in some places, don face shields. In Israel, students were tested at the start of school.
All of the kids in our school performed the quick test, the antigen test. It's not mandatory, but it's something that we ask the parents to collaborate with us. So hopefully we can start the year with everybody being healthy and safe.
So we did the home COVID test and it was negative, so it was good. But I had a problem with my big boy. He was afraid of it very much. And I said, I'll do it to you, don't worry, everything will be fine. So it took a while to convince him.
In Mexico, thousands of schools have opened their doors in a nation with more than 30 million students. Protocols in Mexico include masks, temperature checks, and washing with hand sanitizer. Students are heading back to school after closures last year affected some 660 million students, according to the World Health Organization.
Children have been affected significantly, both in terms of their educational attainment and progress, particularly, for example, younger children who have been delayed in their reading and literacy progress.
Students have also been impacted by the lack of socialization.
In fact, we are quite concerned about the mental health impact that this has had on children, and two of the advisory groups that we have set up since the beginning of the year in our region are on mental health and on schooling.
The French government called for caution as 12 million students return to school this month.
C'est une rentrée particulière.
The back-to-school season can lead to a renewal of the epidemic, so we have to be particularly careful. And this also requires us to continue the vaccination campaign because the vaccine remains an important tool in our ability to get through the crisis in the most sustainable manner possible.
In Indonesia, school bells are ringing again, but government guidelines have changed some things. Talking in class is not allowed, face masks must be worn, and teachers must be vaccinated. Indian authorities have given the green light to partially reopen more schools with health measures in place throughout September. Some education experts say the virus risk to children remain low and stress the need for children to return to school, particularly poorer students who face more challenges due to classes online. Mariama Diallo, VOA News.